What is goody, guys? In this video we're going to go over code splitting and how you guys can use dynamic imports in your React app. So I have here a basic create React app. I'm using React router to render two different components. So the app component, the basic one, and then I made an about component that essentially just shows about page with the path about. So those of you that don't know React router, if you just go to that path, then it'll show the component. Okay, so first of all, let's create two different components. Let's create a normal component, and then I'm going to create a lazy component. So in the normal component, let's make them both functional components. Let's just say, hey, I am normal component, and will get added to the bundle on render. Okay, so that's a normal component, and then we'll go to our lazy component. We'll go here, and let's just throw in this. Okay, so now let's go into about, and first let's import our normal component from component and normal component. Okay, so this is how normally you would import a component in your React app, right? So when it goes to the /about, it will show the normal component. How we're going to use the React.lazy, we're going to say const lazy component is equal to React.lazy, and then we'll do an arrow function in here, and then we'll say import lazy component. I want to show you guys what would happen if I added the lazy component in now. It's going to give us an error saying we need a suspense fallback. So with these type of things, you need to add something from React in the React package called suspense, and you need to wrap it around your, whatever you're importing with React.lazy. So I'm going to say suspense. Okay, and then you need to give it a prop of fallback, and then we can just say div loading. Okay, so now if we load that, it's going to work. So hey, I'm a normal component, and we'll get it to the bundle on render, and hey, bro, I'm a lazy component. So just to show you guys the difference, let's go inspect sources, users, source. So here that we're on the about page, we have lazy component and normal component. But now let's go to the home page, so away from the about page, and lazy component was not entered into the bundle. So that is what you can do with lazy components. So this makes it so when you load your web page in for the first time, if you have a ton of other components that aren't needed at the moment, you can use React.lazy so that everything that the user needs to see first can get loaded a lot faster.